Welcome to 10-minute full body standing yoga stretch. I'm using a yoga mat for this practice, but you don't really need one. Any other clean surface will work perfectly for this stretch. Let's begin with feet around hip distance apart, standing up nice and tall. Lift your arms up to the sky. Inhale, reach up through the fingertips, stretching up. Exhale, bend the elbows, roll the shoulders down and elbows down towards the ribs. Inhale, reach your arms up, stretch up. Exhale, elbows down to the ribs. Inhale, arms up, try to bring the palms together and look up to your hands. Exhale, roll the arms down. Two more on your own. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last one, inhale and exhale. Reach your left arm up, bend the elbow and place your left hand between the shoulder blades. With your opposite hand, gently press your elbow down. You can stay here if you feel enough stretch on the shoulder, or bring your other hand behind and try to interlace fingers for a deeper stretch. If the fingers don't interlace, you can also hold onto your t-shirt. Switch sides. Gently press the elbow down with opposite hand, or interlace your fingers behind the back. Choose your variation, whatever works for your body best today. Release your hands. With your next inhale, reach your arms up to the ceiling, stretch up. Exhale, bend forward. Place your hands on your shins, underneath your knees, and begin to walk your feet out on spot. You can also keep your hands a little higher above the knees on your thighs. Just press your knees back one by one, straightening the legs one by one. Then come up to standing, separate your feet a little wider apart, interlace fingers behind your back, breathe deeply into your chest, pull your knuckles away, straighten the shoulders. Bend the knees, bend forward to your legs, keep pulling your knuckles away, stretching the shoulders, and at the same time straighten your legs one by one. Try pulling your knuckles to one side and then the other to deepen the stretch. Straighten one leg at a time or both legs at the same time. Release your hands, bend your knees and roll up to standing. Take a step back with your right foot, coming into high lunge. Bend your right leg to start. Lengthen your tailbone down and lift up through the lower belly. And then try to slowly straighten your back leg so that you feel the stretch on your right hip flexors on the front of your right thigh. With your next inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the left, right arm reaches forward, left arm back, twist from the upper back. Come back to center, reach your arms up, inhale. Exhale, release your arms down. Straighten your legs, step your right foot closer so that you can lower the heel down, hands on the hips. With inhale, lengthen the spine. With exhale, bend forward to your left leg. Hands can stay on the hips or bring them down to the floor. Your left leg can be slightly bent as long as you feel the stretch on the back of the leg. Try to relax your chest towards the knee with each breath. Slowly come back up to standing and switch sides. Right foot forward, left foot steps back into high lunge. Bend your left leg, adjust your pelvis, and slowly straighten the leg. Find the stretch on your left hip flexors. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. Inhale back to center, reach your arms up. Exhale, release them down, straighten your legs. Bring your left foot closer. With hands on the hips, take a big inhale, lift up through the chest. Exhale, bend forward. And again, keep your hands on the hips or bring them down to the floor. Big breath here. One more big breath in and out. And then come up to standing. Step your left foot forward, feet around hip distance apart. Place your hands on the lower back with fingers pointing down. Begin to lift up through your chest as you breathe. Gently push your hips forward, leaning back into standing back bend. Lean back just as much as you can, make sure there is no strange pressure on the lower back. Big breaths in and out. Come back to neutral position. Bend your knees slightly, bend forward from the hips, bringing your belly towards the thighs. Your fingertips can stay on the floor or bring your hands to the ankles as you begin to slowly straighten your legs, just to the point where you feel the stretch on the back of the legs, on your hamstrings, maybe also on your calves. Remember to breathe deeply in and out through the nose. Bend your knees a bit more again and come up to standing. We will finish with a yoga squat. Turn your toes slightly out, heels in, bend the knees and sit into deep squat. Your hands can stay in front of you on the floor or bring the palms together in front of your chest. Think of lifting your chest up, opening the knees a little wider with your elbows. If your heels don't touch the floor, that's okay, just do your best. Sit in as deep as you can. One last big breath here. And then slowly straighten your legs, coming up to standing. I hope you are feeling a little more space in different parts of the body now after the stretch. Thank you for practicing with me and see you in the next video. Bye!